What's better than clean white sheets? This is a no judgment zone. Let me start by saying that. But many of y'all ain't changing y'all sheets that often. The average American only changes their sheets about once every other week. But I'm about to make you change those sheets a little bit faster than that. If you are sleeping with your pet, or you're eating in your bed, or don't shower before you go to bed, these are all ways you are bringing bacteria in your bed. If you are wearing outdoor clothes on your bed, another way you are bringing bacteria in your bed. Maybe if you are sleeping naked, you can find fecal matter in your bed, and there's actual benefits to sleeping naked, but you need to change some sheets. Did I say this was a no judgment zone? And if you are having a lot of SCX on those sheets, they definitely need to be changed way more often. Or maybe throw down a towel, you know what I'm saying. But I love clean white sheets. They just feel great. They feel fresh. They feel crispy. And it just makes you feel like really happy to get in a clean, comfy, made up bed. But after everything is said and done, I always go in and hit my bed with this linen spray. It's called Being Frenchy. I picked it up at Target. It comes in several scents. But when I tell y'all it is fragrant and it takes up the whole room aroma and it makes your bed smell amazing, yeah, pick it up and change your sheets.